How Mercedes-Benz trucks are manufactured inside the German heavy truck factory, full process. Intro. What does it take to build one of the most advanced heavy-duty trucks in the world? A machine powerful enough to transport tens of thousands of kilograms across countries and continents, operating day and night under some of the toughest conditions imaginable. Today, we are going inside a modern German truck factory to witness the incredible process of manufacturing Mercedes-Benz heavy-duty trucks. From giant steel frames and powerful diesel engines to robotic welding systems, sophisticated electronics, premium driver cabins, and rigorous testing procedures, every truck goes through an extraordinary journey before it reaches highways around the world. Mercedes-Benz trucks are known for their reliability, engineering excellence, fuel efficiency, and durability. They are trusted by logistics companies, construction firms, and transportation businesses across the globe. But behind every completed truck lies a highly sophisticated manufacturing operation where thousands of workers, engineers, technicians, and robots work together with remarkable precision. Inside the factory, sparks fly from automated welding stations. Massive cranes move heavy components weighing several tons. Computer-controlled machines shape steel with incredible accuracy. And every few minutes, another powerful truck rolls closer to completion. The scale is enormous, the technology is fascinating, and the engineering is truly impressive. So sit back, relax, and let's go inside the German heavy truck factory to discover the complete process of how Mercedes-Benz trucks are manufactured. Section 1: Designing a modern heavy-duty truck. Before production begins, years of engineering and development take place behind the scenes. Designing a modern heavy truck is a massive challenge. Engineers must create a vehicle capable of carrying heavy loads while remaining safe, fuel-efficient, comfortable, and reliable. A truck may travel hundreds of thousands or even millions of kilometers during its working life. That means every component must be engineered for long-term durability. Using advanced computer-aided design software, engineers create detailed digital models of the truck. They analyze structural strength, aerodynamics, fuel efficiency, suspension performance, braking systems, and driver comfort. Computer simulations test how the truck will perform under extreme conditions. Heavy loads, mountain roads, long-distance highway driving, extreme temperatures, and challenging weather conditions. Modern trucks also include advanced driver assistance technologies and electronic safety systems. These systems must be integrated into the design from the beginning. Once the final design is approved, manufacturing begins. And everything starts with steel. Section 2: Steel processing and frame manufacturing. The backbone of every heavy truck is its frame. This structure supports the engine, cab, cargo, suspension, and drivetrain. Large quantities of high-strength steel arrive at the factory daily. These materials are carefully selected to provide maximum strength while minimizing weight. Inside the fabrication area, steel beams and structural components are cut to precise dimensions. Advanced laser cutting systems and CNC machines perform this work with remarkable accuracy. The frame rails are among the most important components. These long steel sections form the foundation of the truck. Additional cross members are added to strengthen the structure. Because heavy trucks experience tremendous loads during operation, structural integrity is critical. Every frame component must meet strict quality standards. Automated measurement systems inspect dimensions continuously. Once the steel parts are prepared, they move toward assembly. The truck's foundation is beginning to take shape. Section 3: Welding and frame assembly. Inside the welding area, the frame sections are assembled into complete chassis structures. Large fixtures hold components in place while robotic welding systems perform their work. Bright sparks illuminate the factory floor as robots move rapidly along the frame. Each weld must be precise and durable. Heavy trucks experience constant vibration, stress, and heavy loads. Poor weld quality could lead to serious problems later. Robotic systems provide exceptional consistency. However, skilled welders still play an important role. Human expertise remains essential for complex welding tasks and quality inspections. Once welding is complete, engineers inspect the frame carefully. Laser scanners verify alignment. Ultrasonic equipment may be used to inspect critical welds. Only frames meeting exact specifications continue to the next stage. Section 4: Corrosion protection and painting. Before assembly continues, The chassis must be protected against corrosion. Heavy trucks operate in rain, snow, mud, road salt, and harsh environments. Without proper protection, steel components could deteriorate over time. The chassis undergoes extensive cleaning and preparation. Specialized coatings are applied to protect the metal. Some components are treated using advanced corrosion-resistant processes. Next comes painting. Industrial paint systems apply durable protective coatings designed for long-term performance. These coatings not only improve appearance but also provide critical environmental protection. After curing, the finished chassis is ready for assembly. Now the truck's foundation can begin receiving major mechanical components. Section 5 Engine Manufacturing. At the heart of every Mercedes-Benz truck is a powerful engine. Heavy-duty truck engines are designed for strength, efficiency, and reliability. These engines must deliver enormous torque while operating continuously for long periods. Engine production begins with cast metal blocks and cylinder heads. Advanced CNC machines shape these components with incredible precision. Workers and automated systems assemble the engines carefully. Crankshafts, pistons, camshafts, fuel injectors, turbochargers, cooling systems, and numerous other components are installed. Modern truck engines contain sophisticated electronic management systems. These systems optimize fuel delivery, emissions performance, and power output. Once assembled, every engine undergoes testing. Engineers monitor oil pressure, fuel consumption, power production, and emissions levels. Only engines meeting strict performance standards move forward. These power plants are built to operate reliably for hundreds of thousands of kilometers. Section 6 Transmission and Drivetrain Production. The engine alone cannot move the truck. Power must be delivered efficiently to the wheels. That is where the transmission and drivetrain come in. Modern Mercedes-Benz trucks use highly advanced transmission systems. Some feature automated manual transmissions designed to improve fuel economy and driver comfort. Production begins with precision machined gears, shafts, bearings, and housings. Automated assembly systems build these components into complete transmissions. Differentials and drive axles are manufactured separately. These components distribute power to the wheels while handling tremendous loads. Each transmission undergoes extensive testing. Engineers verify shifting performance, durability, and efficiency. Once approved, these systems move toward final assembly. Section 7 Suspension and Axle Assembly. Heavy trucks require extremely strong suspension systems. The suspension supports massive cargo loads while maintaining stability and ride comfort. Inside the assembly area, technicians install axles onto the chassis. Leaf springs or advanced air suspension systems are mounted carefully. Air suspension technology improves ride quality and helps protect cargo. Shock absorbers and stabilizer systems are also installed. Brake components are mounted next. Heavy trucks rely on powerful braking systems capable of stopping enormous loads safely. Modern trucks include electronic braking systems, stability control systems, and advanced safety technologies. As assembly continues, the chassis slowly transforms into a rolling vehicle. Section 8 Cab Manufacturing. While chassis assembly takes place, the truck cab is built in a separate area of the factory. The cab serves as both the driver's workplace and, in many cases, a temporary home during long-distance journeys. Cab production begins with stamped steel panels. Large presses shape doors, roofs, side panels, and structural components. Robotic welding systems assemble the cab structure. Safety is a major priority. The cab must protect occupants during collisions. Engineers design reinforced structures to improve crash performance. After assembly, the cab moves to the paint shop. Just like the chassis, it receives corrosion protection and high-quality paint finishes. Once painted, interior installation begins. Section 9 Interior Assembly. Modern truck cabins are far more sophisticated than many people realize. Long-haul drivers often spend days or weeks on the road. Comfort is essential. Technicians install dashboards, steering systems, seats, storage compartments, and electronic displays. Premium suspension seats help reduce fatigue during long journeys. Climate control systems are integrated. Sleeping areas are installed in larger cab configurations. Infotainment systems, navigation units, and communication equipment are added. Modern trucks often include digital instrument clusters and touchscreen displays. The interior is designed to provide both functionality and comfort. Once completed, the cab is ready to be mounted onto the chassis. Section 10. The marriage process. One of the most exciting moments in truck manufacturing is the marriage process. This is where the completed cab meets the assembled chassis. Large lifting systems position the cab above the truck frame. Everything must align perfectly. The cab is lowered carefully and secured into place. Electrical systems are connected. Air lines are attached. Control systems are integrated. At this moment, the truck finally begins to resemble the finished vehicle seen on highways around the world. But there is still much work to be done. Section 11. Electronics and advanced technology. Modern Mercedes-Benz trucks contain sophisticated electronic systems. Technicians install wiring harnesses throughout the vehicle. Electronic control units manage engine performance, braking systems, safety features, and diagnostics. Advanced driver assistance technologies are integrated. These may include adaptive cruise control, lane keeping systems, collision warning systems, emergency braking technologies, and driver monitoring systems. Sensors and cameras are calibrated carefully. The amount of technology inside a modern truck is remarkable. These systems help improve safety, fuel efficiency, and operational performance. Section 12. Fuel systems, exhausts, and final components. As assembly nears completion, technicians install fuel tanks, exhaust systems, and additional components. Modern exhaust after-treatment systems help reduce emissions significantly. These systems include advanced filtration and emissions control technologies. Batteries are installed. Lighting systems are connected. Mirrors and aerodynamic components are mounted. Wheels and tires are fitted carefully. Some heavy trucks use specialized tire configurations depending on their intended purpose. Every component contributes to performance, safety, and reliability. Section 13. First startup. One of the most exciting moments in the factory is the first engine start. Fluids are added: engine oil, coolant, brake fluid, transmission fluids, fuel. Technicians connect diagnostic equipment and begin system checks. Then the engine comes to life. The sound of a newly built heavy-duty engine echoing through the factory is impressive. Engineers monitor performance closely: temperatures, pressures, electronic communication, fuel systems. Everything is analyzed. Any issue is addressed immediately. Once approved, the truck moves toward testing. Section 14. Quality control and inspection. Mercedes-Benz is known for strict quality standards. Every truck undergoes comprehensive inspections before leaving the factory. Technicians inspect paint quality, assembly accuracy, and component installation. Laser measurement systems verify alignment. Electrical systems are tested. Braking systems are inspected. Safety technologies undergo verification. Water testing chambers simulate heavy rain conditions. Inspectors check for leaks and sealing performance. The goal is simple: every truck must meet the company's demanding quality requirements. Section 15. Test track evaluation. Before delivery, trucks undergo real-world testing. Professional drivers operate the vehicles on specialized test tracks. Acceleration, braking, handling, ride comfort, steering response. Everything is evaluated. Engineers monitor performance data continuously. The truck must demonstrate reliability and proper operation under various conditions. Some tests simulate heavy load operation. Others evaluate safety systems and fuel efficiency. Only trucks passing every test receive final approval. Section 16. Shipping to customers. Once approved, the completed trucks move to shipping areas. Rows of finished Mercedes-Benz trucks stand ready for delivery. Each vehicle has been built through thousands of individual manufacturing operations. Some trucks will remain within Germany. Others will travel across Europe, Asia, Africa, the Middle East, and other regions. Transportation logistics are carefully planned. The vehicles are delivered to dealerships, fleet operators, and commercial customers around the world. Every truck is prepared for years of demanding service. Conclusion. From raw steel and advanced robotic welding systems to powerful engines, sophisticated electronics, premium cabins, and rigorous testing procedures, the production of Mercedes-Benz heavy-duty trucks represents one of the most impressive manufacturing processes in the automotive industry. Every completed truck is the result of engineering excellence, precision manufacturing, and the coordinated efforts of thousands of skilled people. These vehicles help move goods, support businesses, and keep economies running across the globe. And now, whenever you see a Mercedes-Benz truck traveling down the highway, you will understand the incredible journey it went through before turning its wheels for the very first time. Thanks for watching this complete inside look at how Mercedes-Benz trucks are manufactured inside the German heavy truck factory. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more amazing factory tours, engineering documentaries, and manufacturing stories from around the world. How Mercedes-Benz trucks are manufactured inside the German heavy truck factory, full process. Intro. What does it take to build one of the most advanced heavy-duty trucks in the world? A machine powerful enough to transport tens of thousands of kilograms across countries and continents, operating day and night under some of the toughest conditions imaginable. Today, we are going inside a modern German truck factory to witness the incredible process of manufacturing Mercedes-Benz heavy-duty trucks. From giant steel frames and powerful diesel engines to robotic welding systems, sophisticated electronics, premium driver cabins, and rigorous testing procedures, every truck goes through an extraordinary journey before it reaches highways around the world. Mercedes-Benz trucks are known for their reliability, engineering excellence, fuel efficiency, and durability. They are trusted by logistics companies, construction firms, and transportation businesses across the globe. But behind every completed truck lies a highly sophisticated manufacturing operation where thousands of workers, engineers, technicians, and robots work together with remarkable precision. Inside the factory, sparks fly from automated welding stations. Massive cranes move heavy components weighing several tons. Computer-controlled machines shape steel with incredible accuracy. And every few minutes, another powerful truck rolls closer to completion. The scale is enormous. The technology is fascinating, and the engineering is truly impressive. So sit back, relax, and let's go inside the German heavy truck factory to discover the complete process of how Mercedes-Benz trucks are manufactured. Section 1: Designing a modern heavy-duty truck. Before production begins, years of engineering and development take place behind the scenes. Designing a modern heavy truck is a massive challenge. Engineers must create a vehicle capable of carrying heavy loads while remaining safe,